Hey there, in this video we're going to take a home tour of this great starter home. It's right behind me here, located in the Saguaro Canyon subdivision on the far east side of Tucson. So let's go have a look. Okay, as we stand out in front of this home here in Saguaro Canyon, I just want to give you a quick look. This house is kind of on the main street as you come into the subdivision. So it does get a little bit more traffic than some of the other homes. Although this subdivision is, it's pretty quiet as it is. Located on the far east side of Tucson, over near Houghton and Irvington area. It is situated right across the street from the community park here, which is pretty cool. So let's go inside and take a tour. This home is 1,182 square feet. There is an HOA in this community, and it's about $28 per month, which is very reasonable. So again, this is a pretty small house. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, and it would make either a great rental property or a good starter home. So as we walk in here, it's a nice open floor plan with tall vaulted ceilings up there, which kind of really open up the house. And you got a galley style kitchen right over here, which we'll get to in a sec. That leads out back right there. And this is, again, it's a small house, just under 1,200 square feet. So let's take a look. It's got a hall closet here. You got some nice tile throughout the front here. As we move in to the right, we're going to have the master bedroom there, which we'll come to in a sec, but then we're going to poke our heads in. Here you have a guest bathroom and a couple of the actual bedrooms. So let's go down here. This is back towards the front of the house. You have bedroom number 1 here, and you can kind of see the street out there. It's got laminate wood flooring, right there. Pretty standard. That's a pretty good sized room. A little bit of rectangular in shape. And typical closet there. Some does have some popcorn ceilings built in the 80s. And as we go straight through here, before we head into the bathroom, we'll poke our heads into the bedroom number 2 here, which again has the same type of flooring. This bedroom is pretty small. It's probably about a 10 by 10. Also popcorn ceilings. Standard closet there. This would make a really good office, actually. Or if you had a small kid, that'd be great too. And then here's the guest bathroom. All this stuff is pretty basic, not a lot of upgraded features. It is pretty standard. You got the tile out here into the bathroom. Nice, actually a nice shower there. They have done an update to that. It's a stand-up shower. Just need a curtain. And then looking back towards the main room here, we're going to turn to the left and check out the master. So the master does have some carpet. Carpet seems in pretty good shape. Looks like it's, ready to be used there. Again, vaulted ceilings in here and popcorn as well. That opens up into the backyard, the window there. A lot of natural light in this building. And here's the master bathroom. And this stuff was all kind of original here. Original sink and everything. Could use an update at some point, but it's definitely functional. The nice garden tub. Backsplash there, tile. Turn back back around and head out. Back into the main room, we'll check out this kitchen real fast. This is a wood burning fireplace. Pretty standard brick around there. Little breakfast area, you got a fan, your vaulted ceilings with some shelving up there. Again, this it really just opens up the layout. And this floor plan is pretty standard for this subdivision here in Saguaro Canyon. And it's a galley style kitchen. You got your microwave, electric range, oven, countertops, dishwasher, and those are standard Formica countertops. As we go through here, this leads into the garage, and I'm just going to look to the right and left here because you have your laundry hookups. So you do have a stub for gas down there, so that's going to be your dryer. You could do electric or gas, and then directly across from that you have your washer area with your hookups there. And then as we look into the garage, they have some shelving and whatnot, but it is, pretty standard size 2-car garage. Unfinished, so you do have exposed sheetrock here. Hot water heater, looks like that's a gas appliance there. And then here's your furnace. I did notice the roof on this place that has, does have AC and a swamp cooler, it looks like. Let's go outside, take a look at the backyard. It's got a nice sized yard, pretty big, double pane. This is a double pane glass and windows, so it looks like they have added double pane to this, to all the windows in this place, which is a nice feature, helps with insulation. And then back behind, there's just it's on the edge of the subdivision, so you don't actually have any neighbors behind you. And this wall here is real tall, it's like 6 feet, so a lot of privacy on this lot. AC units right here, and then the roof is shingle and looks in pretty good repair. Obviously, the roofer will take a look at that, and then up there is that's your swamp cooler. Looks like they got it winterized. Many people don't use those. You have a gate right there that leads out to the front, and this fence back here has seen some better days. At some point, this wood will need to be replaced. But you can see some of them are already kind of falling apart there. That side seems to be in pretty good shape. This is pretty standard out in Tucson. You get wood fences out here, the sun just kind of beats the crap out of them. And if you don't keep them painted and maintained, then, the wood gets rot. And I'm going to stick my head over here. You got a little drainage down here. And they have some curbing. I don't know if you can see that, which is good because any rain that comes down that hill, all that water is going to run down into this drainage right here and then exit down that way. They'll stay out of the yard. So that's the back there.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos in this series. Also, be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. You can learn more about Steve, and you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call so we can answer all of your real estate questions. So be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. I put a link in the comments below. You can just click it right below, whether you're on your phone or on the desktop. Super easy, and go check it out and schedule your call with us today. Thanks for watching.